vControl Pro provides powerful control of StudioOne. This video shows how to use the Digi ProControl, Control24, and C24 surfaces. All feature control room monitoring for stereo and surround. They provide multiple input sources, alt speaker selects, headphones, and talkback. Control24 and C24 feature 16 mic preamps and line inputs with gain control, clip lights, and high-pass filters. Detailed setup instructions can be seen at the end of this video showing how to add multiple Mackie control devices, place them side by side in a group, and connect to vControl Pro's fast virtual MIDI ports. You can navigate the surface channel strips across unlimited tracks in your project by banking 24 tracks or nudging by one. The transport section gives you fast control of playback, recording, and navigation through your project's timeline. Tap the buttons for loop mode and punch mode. You can use the jog wheel to quickly move through the timeline. You can navigate to markers by tapping the online button and using the rewind and fast forward buttons. vControl Pro gives you touch-sensitive faders with 0.1 dB resolution and a row of knobs for quickly controlling pan, sends, and more. Enter pan mode by tapping a pan button. For fine knob control, use the command modifier. To reset a knob to its default value, tap the button below the knob. Press the Masters button to use the rightmost fader to adjust the master volume. vControl Pro provides powerful control of track sends 1 to 8. To adjust sends, tap a send button. Now you can adjust sends 1 to 8 for the selected track. The surface displays the name of the 8 send buses and the send levels. You can also adjust a send for all tracks. Tap a send button to cycle through the 8 sends. Now you can adjust that send level across 24 tracks at a time. Flip mode lets you use the faders to adjust send levels. To adjust the automation mode for a track, select the track and use the automation mode buttons. Alternatively, use the track strip auto buttons to select the track and cycle through automation modes. Tap the input or output buttons to edit track parameters. Bypass all plugins, turn monitoring on and off, change track input, change track output, and bypass sends 1 to 4. Use the Master Bypass button to select plugin bypass mode. Now bypass inserts 1 to 8 of the selected track. vControl Pro integrates StudioOne's control link for incredible plugin control. Tap the Insert Params button to edit plugins. Use the Plugin button to show and hide the plugin window. Flip mode lets you use the faders to adjust the plugin parameters. Use the channel bar scroll buttons to change the insert you are editing. Scroll through the plugin presets by using the Shift modifier. Here we have set up strips 1 to 8 to edit the selected track plugin, strips 9 to 16 to edit the reverb return, and strips 17 to 24 to control the delay return. Incredible mix control. vControl Pro lets you assign 8 commands to the surface to accelerate your workflow. Open the external device editor and control-click the buttons to assign a command. Now you can trigger the commands from your surface. For C24, use Soft Keys mode. For ProControl, use the Matrix buttons. And for Control24, use the Function buttons. vControl Pro connects many utility functions so you can work fast and easy. Undo, redo, enter, cancel, and save. The cursor buttons let you navigate tracks and regions. Zoom mode lets you adjust the timeline tracks vertically and horizontally. As you can see, vControl Pro provides powerful control of StudioOne using Digi ProControl, Control24, and C24. vControl Pro runs on Mac and Windows and can be downloaded from nyrink.com. First, you will add your Ethernet surface to vControl Pro. In the Setups window, click Add New and select Ethernet device. After it locates your device, select it and click OK. Then you will set up StudioOne using its Mackie control features. Open the External Devices panel, click Add, and select Mackie and then select Control. Set the send and receive ports to vControl. For Control24 or C24, add 3 Mackie control devices. For ProControl, add 1 to 4 devices depending on how many main and fader pack devices you have. Make sure each one uses a different vControl port. Edit each device's name with a number so they are easy to identify in StudioOne. And finally select Placement and drag the devices into a group.